I absolutely love the mix of being creative and getting to use my analytical mind. So I get the joys of kind of coming up with new visions and making sure they're quite innovative within this space. But I get to mix that with making sure that a process is followed, making sure we're compliant and meeting our customers' needs. So I get the best of all worlds. So the opportunity in this space at the moment with AI is absolutely immense. Because the reality is we have the choice now of, dare I say it, taking people out of the finance space, out of the space of processing data, of doing basic analytics, and actually being really inventive and actually looking at the way in which our economics work across our society and seeing how do we account for our value that we add? How do companies account for the values that they add to society? And that's quite a big picture view, but if the day-to-day is operating, as I was just in the room, we all say that 95% of an accountant's job is pretty similar wherever you work. The only challenge is the industry you're working in, the type of questions you need to answer. So let's take away the processing and allow accountants to answer specific questions and to do a bit more thinking that AI can't do for us. We are building community because in the space of AI and technology, many would argue that community is disseminating and we don't all speak to each other like we used to. And actually what we're trying to do is use business to bring people together again.